Science Research Building number 3 at University of Michigan Central Campus in Ann Arbor. We have 2 elevators here. We got this big one right here, and then we have the small one, number 15. So let's stick around on the small one.
Listen to the chime.
That is a pathetic chime. Look at the cab. That cab is all original. Wow.
Very nice.
9. It's a general.
Let's ring the bell. Do you want to
Oh,
ring
it
it?
already rang out there. But yeah, we can.
Sure. You have to wait for it to close. Non-ADA compliant phone. Very old elevator.
3,500 pound capacity. Very, very nice. Fixtures are replaced, but the cab is original, which is really neat to see. All right, want to close up?
Let's do both of them in one video. Reader. And now to the freight elevator. And I'm going to call it before it
Elevator
leaves.
number 16 here at Medical Science Research Building number 3 in Ann Arbor, and I talked over the chime. That's the little elevator we just wrote, number 15. And this one's went to level, but here it is.
Classic leveling, I like that. Back to A. It's a very, very tall freight elevator. There's a chip in there.
There is. Someone left a corn chip, it looks like. All right, let's close that up. And here's your state serial number. 29,031, 5,000 pound capacity. Let's go down to 8.
We can end on 3. Let's go to 3.
I want to ring that chime one more time.
Sure.
That is such a weird chime.
Someone called it.
Such a funky chime. All right, we'll go to 3.
And we'll watch it close.